Hello students, welcome to the coordinate geometry ellipse part 1. So first we understand what is the ellipse. So first definition by two fixed point. Suppose S1 and S2 is two fixed point and we have a variable point where x1 and this is distance x2 where x1 and x2 is constant and this point is moving. So this will make a shape like this. So this is called ellipse. This point, suppose here point is there. So here x x1 dash and plus x2 dash x2 dash x1 dash plus x2 dash. That will be also k. It will be same. And the point S1 and S2 is called mm, foci. It's called focus and the plural of focus is foci. So if take a distance along the and you take the middle point as a origin. So this is you take minus c comma 0 and this is c comma 0. So this distance is, suppose this distance is minus a, that means minus a 0 and this distance is a comma 0 and you take the vertical and this is b comma 0 comma b and this is minus b comma 0. So now make another diagram. See, this is ellipse where S1 is focus and S2 is focus. This is called foci and from middle of this one, this is 0 0. This we have taken minus c 0 this coordinate and this coordinate is minus c 0 and this one is minus a 0 and this one is a 0 and this is 0 b and this is 0 minus b. So this distance is a. This is called major axis, major semi major axis and this distance is a. This is called minor axis and this distance is b. So what is the relation between this one? So this one and this one. Suppose this will be value will derive this, but for the time being you just note it down. This will be also a. So this distance is a and this distance is a and this distance is also a. So any point you take this distance and this distance, if both this distance will be a. This distance, you suppose this is x1, this is x2. So x1 plus x2 will be 2a. This is the first formula. Now this is called lattice rectangle and c value of c will be AE. So what is E? That will define. So this is AE. So this will be this minus AE 0. So any relation between A and B? Yes. So B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. So now come to the this is foci S1, that is AE 0. This is A0. This is 0B. This is minus A0. This is minus A0. And from this to this length is A. This to this length is also A. And the relation between A and B is B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. So now this is lattice rectum. Equation of this will be x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1. So here AE is there. So this will be AE comma B square by A. So what will be the this point? This point will be AE comma B square by A minus. So similarly here minus AE comma B square by A minus AE B square by A minus. So what will the length? Length this minus this. So 2B square by A. So this will be the length of lattice rectum. This will be the length of lattice rectum. So what is the this length? This length will be 2AE. Now we can define ellipse from the fixed point and one straight line, distance from the straight line. Suppose this is a fixed point. So any point on the parabola will be having, suppose this is length is S, and this is length SPM. So SP by PM will be always value E, that is eccentricity that we have discussed. So SP by PM will be always E. So suppose here distance and this distance. So this is P dash, this is M dash, then again SP dash divided by PM dash will be equal to E. So this is called eccentricity. And the point here will be A by E 0. Here A 0, here AE 0, or here is 0 0. So now so now if we draw ellipse again, then 2 3 points are very important. That in ellipse there is two foci, S1 S2. And if you are given the equation x square by a square plus y square by b square 1, where a is greater than b, then this distance will be a, then coordinate this one you take 0 0, this is minus a is 0, this coordinate is minus a 0, this coordinate is 0 b, this coordinate is 0 minus b, this coordinate is a comma 0, this coordinate is a 0, and suppose this is directrix, then directrix will be this length will be a by e, and the coordinate is a by e 0. So this directrix is for this foci, and if you take this foci, then again another directrix will be there, and this coordinate will be minus a by e comma 0. So equation of this one is a is equal to minus a by e, and this equation is will be x is equal to a by e, and the coordinate is this coordinate, and this coordinate will be a e b square by a, and this coordinate is a e b square by a, and here this coordinate is minus a e and b square by a, and this coordinate is minus a e minus b square by a, here also negative. So this point, this all things you have to remember. And two thing I also told you, this distance is a, this distance is also a, and so this total distance will be 2a, and another b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square, when a is greater than b. If b is greater than a, then the ellipse will be like this, and this point will be b, and this point will be, this will be a, and e will, and a square, then a square will be a square 1 minus e square. So directrix will be this side and this side. So directrix will be y is equal to b by e, and y is equal to minus b by e. Now we'll derive these equations in second.